بآيات من القرآن هي الحلقات تملأني بحب المصطفى العدنان هي
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome back to Najon TV channel. Today I'm going to show you to review of the Y50 Vivo phone. Entering the 10 years in Indonesia, Vivo has built of the series of products variants tailored to the needs of Indonesia customers. Vivo Y series is one of the series widely used by Vivo Indonesia. Various information have been made by Vivo terms of design to capacitation. Okay. And information if the certification and design can be seen from several various Y series on Y71, Y7091, Y17 and Y19. And where Vivo made information such a lock screen fetch heads using ultra L screen and 5000 battery, triple camera information from the previous dual camera, and 6GB and 128 RAM, and room upgrades, reverse charging, all multi-mode camera, and design information with the use of glass display design. In the April, strong upgrade the Vivo Y50. Vivo Y50. The memorize the capacity once again in the series products line on the Vivo Y50. Okay, Y50. And it comes with 8GB. Okay, wow, it's amazing. Okay, it's amazing. 8GB RAM and 128 room. Okay, room to support user multi-tasking activities more smoothly without the information of block and with internal strong capacities of customers to store various types of files. Okay, we open the cardboard freeze. Okay, wow, free Indosat card here. Wow, guarantee. Wow, and free phone casing, and then what this is in the curtain is the Vivo Y50 phone. Okay, and free charging. Okay, free charging, and then open. Whoa, this is the magic, man. Whoa, this is the good design. Oh, this is the whoa, this is the good design, guys. This is the good design. What is the sentence in the Vivo Y50? Vivo brings the later design, the ultra O screen. Okay, and the Y50 presenting front camera with smile seals. Okay, smile seals on the left to ultra screen of maximum screen display. In the addition, the VHD plus resolution in the Y series makes visual clear and sharper. Of the cast experience of watching movie or streaming on social media, and will be more comfortably with the ultra O screen of the by Vivo Y50. Next, and Vivo Y50 series Vivo also is much same of the letters, specification, and information in the class. So and the liquid camera with the addition of several feature, such a super nice camera, and ultra stable video, multi turbo 3.0, and Foods OS 10 based of Android 10 Snapdragon and 600 650 maximum multi-sting performance, and 5,000 of battery capacity with USB Type C and reverse charging. Okay, this is charging feature. Okay, how interested in buying Vivo Y50? Okay, thank you so much. You are watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, meet here. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.